indeed an investment in debentures, which, as you know, are secured, those are guaranteed at a far better rate than SSB funds are getting in the commercial banks. You know that that is very much on the table, and together with that, I believe a smaller amount was being contemplated for investment by way of preference shares, which again, well, as the name suggests, would put SSB in an almost unassailable position in terms of returns on their investment. But they're really the details you'll have to get from the board.
But as far as GOB is concerned, this is a worthwhile investment.
Oh, absolutely, because my understanding is that SSB monies, the monies that will be used for this investment are earning something like 1% or 1.5% in the commercial banks as fixed deposits. I believe that the debenture rates, and again, you could check with DL, please. I don't want to misspeak, but I believe that the debenture rate of interest is 7%, and I believe that the preference share rate of interest is 5%. So, my God, it's evident that SSB would be doing so very, very much better with the returns from this investment than just keeping the money in the commercial banks and getting 1%.